Rappers and producers, it's Curtis King at CurtisKingBeats.com, and today I'm going to break down to you how I was able to get 3 programs that used to be very expensive for less than $100 by using a few different services that you may or may not know of. For those of you that are wondering why I'm doing this or why I'm putting this together, let me help you understand. I had sort of an eye-opening experience about the entire idea of piracy, the entire idea of having products that you do not own. It was an eye-opener. It was a wake-up call. Me becoming a new father was also another wake-up call to where it was like, how can I justify this and tell my son not to do certain things? One of those programs that I was actually using without permission in a very nice way told me that you need to get it together, and I agreed. So over the last few weeks, I've basically been deleting every drum kit, every plugin, every VST, and even aside from that, every program that I had on my computer. And I use many different programs as a rapper and a producer. Like I use Photoshop for some of my cover art, Adobe Audition to edit all of my audio, Vegas Pro to edit every single one of my videos, and I was out here riding dirty. And I don't need no company to come to me and tell me to change. I'm doing that for myself and to set an example for my folks out there to look up to what I do. But I want to share something with you that I didn't even know about, and I wish I would have known because I would have jumped on this earlier. If you're using Adobe, any Adobe product like Adobe Audition or Adobe Photoshop, I don't know if you know, but they have something called Adobe Creative Cloud that enables you to basically pay a small subscription fee per month to only use the products that you want to use. Now, in the past, I've had friends that have gifted me with different programs and I never actually used it. Like I never had a need for Dreamweaver, couldn't understand it. So when I had this awakening, I said, you know what? Let me go see how much the full program is. And I had trouble looking for an actual price until I came in, I got myself familiar with Creative Cloud. Now, if you go to adobe.com/Creative Cloud, what you're gonna see is you're gonna have the opportunity to go ahead and click here and choose a plan. Now, basically what it gives you is this. The programs that I need from Adobe is Adobe Audition, and then I also need Adobe Photoshop. I had an option to get all their apps, but I don't need all their apps for $52 a month. However, I do need Photoshop and I do need the single app. So they have an option here that allows you to pay $20 a month to have a copy of whatever program you need. And that's anything from After Effects, Adobe Premiere, Dreamweaver. I need an Audition, so then I got the $20 package, so I pay that per month to use it. If I don't need it anymore, I just cancel my subscription. I'm always need it, and it's always generating me income, so I do it. Another option, $9.99 if you just wanna get the photography pack is what they call it. And basically you get a Photoshop, Adobe Lightroom, Adobe Lightroom Classic, and about 20 gigs of cloud storage. I don't even need the cloud storage, I just need Photoshop. So then I did that. So now we're talking about, let's just go ahead and round it off to about $30. Now that's for Adobe Audition, that's for Adobe Photoshop per month. And if you can't afford it or if you run into some hard times, just cancel it, you know, and you've had your time to use that program. So I said, next, let me go see about Vegas, because I use Vegas Pro. I'm not a video editor by trade, but I've been doing it for so long that nowadays, because of my YouTube channel, I actually edit more videos than I make beats. So having a legit program, especially for video editing, is crucial. And you know, if you ever had any kind of pirated programs in your possession, it sucks. When you're talking about the bugs, you're talking about the viruses, you're talking about the glitching, you're talking about the crashing, and I always knew I had no right to complain if I had it. I mean, you ain't supposed to have it. So I came here to the website and I said, fam, I hope they got a subscription fee, because I looked at the price and it was like $4.99. Then I started thinking about it and I was like, maybe, because regularly it's $898 and it's well worth it. It's a great program. It does everything that you need. And so I got to clicking around to see the different editions to see what I actually even use and need. And I saw this thing called Vegas Pro 365. So then when I clicked on it, I saw they have a subscription fee just like Adobe. So for $16.67, if you go for a 12-month plan, which I got, and it comes out to, I believe, like $199 for the entire, $199 for that entire duration. You got to pay that up front for 12 months duration, only pay it every year, and then you get to have this program in your possession. Now that's for 12 months. But then I was like, I wonder what other options I got. So they have a 3-month option that's $19 a month. So every 3 months it renews. But check this out. When you actually go and pay for your 3 months in advance, it's only $60. So $60 plus 30, unless they've changed math, is $90. So for under $100, you can have possession of all these programs. Look, I don't know how many programs you use. I don't know what you have within your possession and what you need. But just knowing these things exist and a lot of these companies are understanding, look, we got to fight piracy by giving an option that makes it easy for people who may not have all the money in the world. Maybe they're students, maybe the discount is not enough. Here's a subscription fee. We're running out of reasons not to have the legit version. So many less issues going on with it. And aside from all of that, the peace of mind to know that this is mine, it got my name on it, the pride and ownership I can't even explain to you. But either way, this was me debunking the whole myth about I can't afford all these programs, man, they trying to rip us off. Look, they trying to work with you. Are you willing to work back with them? Once again, this is Curtis King at CurtisKingBeats.com. Have a good one.